Hi, and welcome back. If you're running multiple warehouses in Odoo, especially if one of them is an Amazon or third-party fulfillment warehouse, this setup is extremely important. Many businesses face the same challenge. They want to sell from a specific warehouse, but when that warehouse doesn't have enough stock, they don't want orders to fail or staff to manually create transfers. This is especially relevant for Amazon sellers, multi-location businesses, and companies that keep inventory centralized while fulfilling orders from different locations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Odoo so this entire process happens automatically using routes and rules without breaking your inventory flow or creating extra manual work. The goal of this setup is simple. When a sales order is created under the Amazon warehouse, Odoo should first try to ship from Amazon stock. If Amazon stock is not available, Odoo should automatically create an internal transfer from the main warehouse to the Amazon warehouse and only after that complete the delivery to the customer. No manual intervention, no stock confusion, just a clean, automated chain. We start by creating a dedicated warehouse called Amazon Warehouse and assigning it a short name like AMZ. This short name is important because Odoo uses it to generate locations and operation types such as AMZ stock, Amazon delivery orders, and Amazon internal transfers. Once the warehouse is created, we move into inventory configuration and work directly with routes and rules, because rules are what control how stock is pulled and which operations Odoo creates. We create a delivery rule that represents shipping from Amazon stock to customers, pulling products from AMZ stock, and delivering them to customers using the Amazon delivery operation type. At this stage, the rule simply says to fulfill customer demand from Amazon stock. The key change happens in the supply method. Instead of using take from stock, we change it to trigger another rule. This tells Odoo that if Amazon does not have stock available, it should look for another rule to satisfy the demand instead of failing the delivery. Next, we create the fallback rule that brings inventory into Amazon. This is an internal transfer rule that pulls products from main stock into AMZ stock using the Amazon internal transfer operation type. With this configuration in place, Odoo now understands the full chain. Customer demand starts at Amazon, and if Amazon has no stock, Odoo automatically pulls inventory from main and then completes the delivery. To validate everything, we test it using a real sales order by selecting Amazon Warehouse on the order. When the order is confirmed, Odoo automatically generates two operations, an internal transfer from main stock to AMZ stock, followed by a delivery from AMZ stock to the customer. The delivery waits until the internal transfer is completed, and once that transfer is validated, the delivery becomes ready to process. To summarize, follow these steps. Create a new warehouse and give it a short name like AMZ. Confirm that a separate Amazon stock location is created and that it is not inside the main stock location. Go to Inventory Rules and create a delivery rule that pulls products from Amazon stock to customers using the Amazon delivery operation type. Change the supply method on this rule to trigger another rule so Odoo can look for stock elsewhere. Create a second rule that pulls products from main stock into Amazon stock using the Amazon internal transfer operation type. Check the product routes and make sure buy or make to order is not enabled unless intentionally required. Create a sales order and select Amazon Warehouse on the order. Confirm the order and verify that Odoo creates an internal transfer from main to Amazon. Validate the internal transfer and confirm that the delivery from Amazon to the customer becomes ready automatically. This configuration allows you to sell confidently from multiple warehouses while keeping inventory centralized, automated, and accurate. It eliminates manual transfers, reduces errors, and gives you clean, reliable inventory reporting. If you want more real-world Odoo training like this, including advanced inventory, accounting, and automation setups, visit Katylinks.com and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Odoo training and updates.